Great-Grandma Alice.
This is a story that my great-grandma Alice loved telling about her school days. She started school when she was 5, and apparently she was very bright. Anyway, that's what she told us. And when she was 11, the teacher, Miss Fox, came to her and said, "Alice, you've learned everything that I know. I can't teach you any more now, but you're not allowed to leave school until you're 12 years old, so you'll just have to sit at the back of the class." So that's what Great-Grandma Alice did. She sat at the back for a whole year, and her dad, my great-great-grandpa, was really angry because he wanted her to be out earning money for the family. She was a domestic servant.
Rules for life. 1. Millie.
Well, so many teenagers seem to think life is about just one thing. You know, money and fame. They think it will bring them happiness. Honestly, I would hate to be famous. When I read the magazines and see all the photos of these rich, famous film stars, footballers and the like, it frightens me. They can't move without being followed and photographed. Often, they've got to employ bodyguards. When I grow up, I just want to enjoy my work. If I earn lots of money, fair enough, but if I don't, I'll still be happy. I never want to be famous. That's scary stuff.
2. Richard.
My rule for life is that you only get out of life what you put in. I mean, you should never ask that question people always ask, why are we here? What is the meaning of life? I mean, you'll never find the answer. You've got to give meaning to your life by what you do with your life. And I think you can do this in all kinds of ways. I mean, it doesn't matter if you are president of your country or a rubbish collector. You have a place in the world. You have a part to play.
3. Frank.
I believe you've got to look for the good in people and things. So many people of my age do nothing but complain about today's world. Oh, on and on they go about how bad the traffic is or how mobile phones are such a menace. Oh, and most of all, they complain about young people. They're loud, they're impolite, not like in the good old days. Well, I say rubbish to all that. There's always been good and bad in the world, and I think we should look for the good. The rule I try to live by is find 3 things every day to be happy about.